There's no place like home.
Boy, you can say that again, Baxter. Sesame Street has been brought to you today by those old letters A and E and by the number 11. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Goodbye.